Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to be trying out the Give makeup brand from Gwen Stefani. I found this eyeshadow palette at Winners the other day for $13 and I was all over that. I was like, how is this already at Winners? Anyways, like, could not wait to get home and try it out. So this is the eyeshadow look we'll be doing today. I got the palette A Simple Kind of Life. I definitely want to be trying out others from her line. So I created this look for deep set eyes. So if you guys would like to see the shadows, the eyeshadow palette, and how I created this look, then just keep watching. So it has been a minute since I have tried out an eyeshadow palette for you guys, but I found the Gwen Stefani makeup line at Winners. I was kind of shocked to see it there already, but also excited. I was like, cool, I'll try out this quad for $13. This is the Simple Kind of Life quad, and it has like some really just neutral tones in it, so I was about that. The packaging is really cute. It's like plastic on top of, I don't know, actually kind of looks just like cardboard underneath there, but doesn't really matter what the packaging is. What matters is on the inside. All right, so oh, that's really cute. Me, you, yours is on the inside. That peels off, I think. And these are the shades, so very neutral. They're coming up lighter on camera. They are deeper. We have kind of like a warm neutral, we have a cooler neutral, and then two shades to go with them. So we'll just create a very neutral look, but that is what I wear on the daily, so I wanted to pick that up. I'm trying to just kind of pick up makeup that I would wear myself. It's not feasible for me right now just to kind of buy whatever to try out, so I'm trying to stick to things that really personally intrigue me. So yeah, let's get into the eyeshadow. First, I'm just gonna prep my lids with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is nice and creamy and not too bright. So just going to kind of give the eyeshadow a little bit of a base and just conceal any of the bluish purple tones on my lids, the veins, and all of that stuff. It is Family Day weekend in Canada, so it is a Monday, getting to the evening. We had some hockey going on during the day, and then the kids wanted to go to the rinks again afterwards, and now we're just kind of chilling at home. All right, so first I'm going to start off with this fluffy Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. This is a JH35. I believe it is still on the website, and I'm going to go into the warm color first. And I'm going to blend that. I'm going to kind of lift my eye a little bit as well. It's going to give us a little bit of a smoother application. If you don't want to tilt your head back, you can always kind of lift the eye a little bit. And that'll just give you a little bit of a smoother application. I know as my eyes are aging, I'm finding that whether it is eyeliner or eyeshadow, just slightly lifting the eye just gives a little bit of a better of a blend. So far that is blending on nice and smoothly. I like the tone. It's reminding me of a bronzer somewhat. It's warm, but it's not too warm, so that's nice. So just give the eye a little bit of a lift. And blend right on top of the brow bone. All right, I'm going to take this brush. It's from the brand Prideful. It does not have a number or a name on it, but it is nice, soft, fluffy brush, a little bit smaller than the Jaclyn Hill and a little bit more of a dome shape. The bristles are also a little bit more dense, so this is going to pick up a little bit more pigment, and I'm going to go in with the neutral tone that is cooler undertone. It kind of reminds me of like a beige mushroom taupe color, and I'm going to go on the outer crease with this and into the crease and on the outer lid, and that is actually coming off a lot deeper on the eye than it does in the palette. That definitely has some depth, so you're going to be thinking, looking at this palette directly, like just in the pan, that, you know, these are all just neutral colors. They all kind of look the same tone, but that actually has some depth to it. Getting a little bit of fallout, but minimal. The mattes are pretty creamy, and just this being a taupey beige color, I'm not too worried about it. I could go in and clean it up afterwards if I'd like to. I really like this color. I'm just gonna lift the eye a little bit. I just give you guys a view of how I'm applying it. Super liking the combination of this cooler taupe color with the warm color. I'm just gonna kind of hug along the crease, the brow bone right here. Right now I'm gonna go in with the cooler, lighter tone right next to this dark one and a flat brush. And I'm going to pop that on the lid over top of the outer corner. Just gonna blend that through. We're still gonna see the depth from that darker color, but it's diffusing out. And we're just getting this nice matte shade over the lid. And I'm gonna go over the whole lid with this. These mattes are really nice, really blendable, not patchy at all. We're gonna go up into this part of the crease. It's not overly light, so you can just see the eyes just a little bit diffused. Just creating more of a blend. But there's no like harsh dark colors on the lid. And I'm gonna kind of hold this eye as well. Just gonna pull away any of that creping. All right, now with my finger, I'm gonna go into what seems to be the lightest shade in the palette. So this kind of has a little bit of a peachy undertone to it. Not too peachy, like I'm just saying that is the undertone to this shade. Yeah, compared to the other shades in the palette. So I'm gonna go in with my finger and this color, and I'm going to apply this to the center of my lid. We have some pigment. Wow, we got some nice pigment with this. So I'm just gonna give myself a little bit of a halo effect. I'm just gonna draw the attention towards the center of my eye. I think what I'm going to do after is go in and kind of just blend this out with a brush, just to smooth out any kind of lines that we're seeing. But I really like having lightness right along the lash line as well. Just cleans up the look of the eye. I'm just gonna take this angular flat brush. This is from Sephora collection. This is a pointed concealer brush. And I'm gonna go in with that light shade again, just on the tip of this brush, and I'm just going to highlight right underneath my brow. Not on the brow bone, but just on the brow area. Maybe even just pop a little bit right in the inner corner. It's just really soft. It's just kind of diffusing the eye. Not really giving any like highlight, but just diffusing the look of the eye. And now I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Morphe brush, the JH40. This is just more of a pointed brush. I'm gonna go in with that dark shade. This is the darkest shade in the palette. Kind of doesn't look like it. Like these look the same tone, but once you apply this to the eye, there is depth. And I'm just gonna go on the outer corner underneath the eye on the lash line. So you can see the lash line is staying bright. We're just getting a little bit of depth underneath this lash line. Just kind of ties in the top with the bottom. Just softening underneath the lashes. Great for if you're someone that doesn't like lower mascara, lower lash line mascara. I'm gonna put a little bit of liquid eyeliner on. I've been liking liquid eyeliner lately. I've been using this instead of tight lining. I have been enjoying just some liquid liner on the top lash line. It's nostalgic of the 90s for me. It's all about the liquid liner, but like heavy liquid liner. So again, I'm just gonna slightly pull on my eye. And I'm just following the lash line. I'm not doing any sort of wing or anything, just adding some thickness to my lash line. So I popped on a little bit of the Telescopic Lift Mascara. Let me give you guys a little bit of an update on this. I don't like washing it off. It washes off really dumb and like clumpy, and it doesn't come off necessarily that easy. I do like the darkness of it. It does hold the curl all day long, and it doesn't smudge or run throughout the day. I still wouldn't pay $20 for it, but I do like it. Sometimes it gets a little clumpy, some days it doesn't, so it's like hit or miss for that, but I do enjoy it. I still would not pay $20 for it though. So this is the final eyeshadow look. I am really enjoying it. I could definitely see myself pulling out this eyeshadow palette every day for giving an everyday look that doesn't look overdone, but does give you a little bit something more on the eyes. The colors are really beautiful, blend nicely. I know it's a taupe beige neutral palette that doesn't seem to have much depth to it, but seeing the colors together on my eye, I can definitely see that there's some depth to this palette, and I totally love the way it came out. I am just such a neutral lover and a huge Gwen Stefani fan, so I was excited to try out her makeup. I definitely will be looking for more of the eyeshadow palettes at Winners and hoping that, who knows, maybe they'll get some of her lip glosses and lip liners there, because those look really, really pretty too. They had some lipsticks, only the reds. I wasn't vibing that. I will 100% grab a neutral if it is there next time. But yeah, so this is the final look, a great eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.